Looking for budget mechanical keyboards? Stick around as today we are gonna be reviewing and unboxing this DAREU EK87 Glory gaming mechanical keyboard. This video is sponsored by cdkeyoffers.com, where you could buy legit software, games, and license keys. Just go ahead and search for the games or software you're looking for, hit the buy now button, and simply enter the coupon code DUDE20 to save up to 20% from your purchase. After paying, you will now immediately receive the key on your account and be able to activate your software or license key. Special thanks to Busy Future for sending us this mechanical keyboard, which by the way you could buy from their website and use DUDE15 as a coupon code to save up to 15%. So here's what you'll be getting straight out of the DAREU EK87 mechanical keyboard. Upon opening the box, you'll first get this keycap remover, and basically that's about it. And of course, the actual mechanical keyboard, the DAREU EK87 mechanical keyboard. So right now I have plugged the DAREU EK87 onto my computer. It's a little bit heavy, but here it is. It's currently lit up with a steady backlit. So you don't have the option to remove or unplug the connector right here, so it's fixed and connected onto your keyboard. It also has some stand at the bottom of your keyboard that you could easily flip back and forth. So let's now go ahead and take a look at the actual lighting modes that this keyboard has. So pressing the F key on your keyboard alongside with the F6, it will activate the wave combination function on the DAREU EK87. So here's what it looks like. Next, pressing the F and F7 on the keyboard, it will change to the ripple effect lighting mode. And moving on to the next color lighting mode, which is the run effect. Here's what it looks like. It also has a fading lighting mode effect that is quite particularly common on mechanical keyboards. It also comes with a breathing lighting effect as well as a constant lighting mode. So here's the sample typing test for the EOSU mechanical keyboard when compared to the DAREU EK87. So next up, here's the actual typing test for the mechanical keyboard of DAREU, the EK87. So overall, I did love the clickiness or feedback of the blue switch of the DAREU EK87 mechanical keyboard, despite it being on the budget spectrum in the world of mechanical keyboards. I noticed that the clickiness of the blue switch on this keyboard is sweet and perfect for typing texts and paragraphs. But for me, it's a little bit distracting when gaming, well, at least for my own taste. With regards to the lighting modes, I'm not a fan of the rainbow lighting effect, but if you love such setup, then you'll enjoy the visual characteristics of this keyboard. It also comes with decent lighting modes that surely does improve the overall typing experience or even the visual gaming experience. I also like that the build quality also feels sturdy, and this keyboard actually feels heavier when compared to the EOSU K658, say for comparison. So that's about it with my review with the DAREU EK87 mechanical keyboard. Let me know what are your thoughts or questions if you have any on the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Again, it's your Tech Edit here. See you in my next tech videos.